Social exclusion, natural disasters, or a speculative economic model are just some of the factors that threaten the right to housing. None of these issues can be addressed without a design strategy. An increasing number of architects and designers are acting as social contributors by actively cultivating partnerships with NGOs and working for those lacking resources. Emergency housing. Reconsider the models of practice responding to emergency situations such as natural disasters or forced migrations, contributing to define a more fair and equitable society.
Some new projects are entering the arena of humanitarian aid. Lightweight, flexible structures dispatched to disaster zones are independently assembled by local residents who can alter their size and materials. Manually pressed mud bricks are made of local earth. Lightweight foam plastic panels allow for the simple construction of emergency shelters. These examples, like many others, rely on the end user's existing technical knowledge and manual skills. The shift from centralized decision-making, which assumes that top-down decision-makers know best how to attend to a community's emergency needs, to a more adaptive approach which empowers communities to define and care for their unique needs, makes use of a range of community skills.